Oh, he's going to be so
You automatically bumped up to the pro. Our first one out is Dakota Strasser with a 1990 Ford Ranger.
Oh wait, that's Motorsports. That guy is
Too much on that turn right
bounty
there.
hunter.
This
If
is
you're looking to get off the jump start button, this is the gas you're going to. Start it off, have some fun. You can see it doesn't take a whole lot.
One of my exes. You have to leave now.
All right, hammer down, Dakota. The faster you jump it, the easier to land. Very nice. 43.21, 43.21. Well, we have the Best of Steering Award, and then we have the other one, which we didn't hand out tonight yet. It looks like a straight shot.
Wow.
Looks like a inspection in some places before it comes. Looks better than some of the trucks that took stuff in here to go racing tonight. Yeah, that's true. Burning a little oil.
I don't know.
Transmission is
there. Oh, right here.
Optional check as well. And a 3788. Steve Elwood, out of Whiteford, Maryland. He's number 2 in points right now.
I just did it.
Zachary Lee Clark out of Windsor, PA. 95 Chevy Corsica.
He's probably on top of the world.
I know.
This car looks perfectly worthy to put a plate on it.
It's hard to get that stuff. Yeah.
Ready to go.
That's funny. This is Granny Go-Getter.
Oh, that's a Granny Getter?
Or Granny Getter. Say Granny Getter.
straight out over there. So if you miss your child,
me. Gave me this.
probably somebody on the way down. 37 even.
Yeah, when I screwed up the stuff she gave me, I was like,
37 even. All right, good. Number 2 right now. Timothy Troutman out of Phelps, PA. The 95 Subaru Legacy.
I never eat cotton candy.
Ben, want some?
It's pretty nice.
Oh, look at that.
Got that dent in front of it.
What a different color in there.
Well, it's obviously is there. You know, maybe the headlights don't work, I guess. I don't know.
A little piece missing out of the rear quarter over here, but that could be coppered in.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Hey! 35 4
Team Commando out of Phelps, PA. Christopher Flickball.
And this is a loud bit. Full air underneath the tire.
Also 16 years old. If I remember, he also runs a little Louis Jeep in the mud, too.
Ooh.
16 years old, the ultimate driver's test G-Pad. No problems at all. A time of 35.29. 35.29. Now that moves him into second place, right?
They might not be.
Like a quiet running Jeep here. This thing looks pretty nice.
On your way out.
And I think he actually is getting that
A lot
for everybody. Because I heard him talking to the other ones before, he's like, oh no, people might
Yeah, Mom and Dad don't know he's got it out tonight. That's the thing.
I think he might be right on that. Do they know about what he's going to do with it right now?
I bet he ain't gonna tell him.
He might have to make an appointment for alignment on Monday and drop his load of service. Not bad. Uh-oh, there's a piece light.
No, I'm good.
No one's got to beat Steve Elwood up there at 34 and 32.
You really can't see it down there in the smoke, but that's 18 Lemon Sundance out of Lancaster. No better.
Fill the roll, check the gas, please.
No, never mind.
Spraying for mosquitoes, or what are we doing here?
That's what you do.
So quiet in the street. Why is that smoking so much?
4 Ranger out of Lebanon, Trigger McKinnon.
Number 1 point.
Stop it.
Stop right down there. Look at that.
It's his little tiny feet.
Yeah.
You might as well pitch my
The Germans think of everything, don't they? Yeah, that's a snorkel, so you go underwater. Was that,
20. Oh, yeah.
didn't even try, it didn't look like this.
Right here is your points leader, Ben Edgerman out of Hopewood in the 94th Cherokee.
The time to beat is a 34.32. Here's the guy that's done it before.
I like bugging her.
I can tell.
Yeah, he likes to annoy me.
Really
I can tell.
That's my job. That's
But he's
my
going to make a smooth run, not be too far down at the points or in the finishing lineup. He should be in good shape.
Wow.
Nice, Lindsay. Beautiful air.
Shazam. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. I guess you can do that if you take it out of four-wheel drive.
No.
So
This is
Kelly,
amateur
the
class.
ladies class run this earlier. Now this is
Got the man to drive the vehicle with pink wheels. And he is.
but he's got to beat his way time or he's not going to get the end of it.
Wow.